wonderful people, my amazing people. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. To my new subscribers, because I believe that you are going to subscribe and join this wonderful family today, you are welcome to my channels. Okay, to my new subscribers, I am Okeke Chizoba. I am a teacher, a writer, and an entrepreneur. Okay, so in today's video I am going to be giving an answer to 3 questions actually. Okay, but before I get started, I want you to do something for me. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed to my channel? Do want to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my important videos. Okay, thank you. So in today's video I am going to be giving an answer to first question. Somebody asked me a question. I am a non-writer, that is, I don't write before. How can I make money through writing? Okay, that is the first question. I believe a lot of people can rephrase that question like, I have not written before, how can I make money through writing? I am going to give you an answer to that. Okay, the second question is, how can I get writers? The third one is, how much can I pay writers to write for me? So I am going to answer these 3 questions in this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, do it now. Thank you. Like this video. Okay, subscribe to my channel to support me, baby. Thank you so much. So let me answer the first question. The first question is, people that are no writers but they want to make money through writing. Okay, it is very possible. It is 100% possible. Okay, in ghostwriting, that's ghostwriters. They are the people writing for you. Okay, outsourcing. Okay, for example, you are not a writer but you want to make money from Goodnovel, Letterlux, all these platforms that I have mentioned in my channel. You can equally make huge sum of money through that. Okay, although it is against the rule. So anything that you are doing, make sure they don't notice that you are using a ghostwriter. If they notice that you are using a ghostwriter, you are your own. So it is possible for you to make money as a non-writer, huge money as a non-writer. I'm telling you the truth. A lot of people are making huge money through this scheme. Okay, but there are a lot of things you're supposed to know as a non-writer so you can be able to make money through these platforms. Okay, I always advise people to know this first step. What are the things you're supposed to know? You need to do what? Learn how this business works so you can be able to direct your writers on how to write for you. Okay, as a non-writer, you can equally read better so that you can understand how the first few chapters work, so that when you are directing your writers, you can be able to direct them well on how to write better for you. Know how this business works, know how this writing business works, so that you are not going to make mistakes. Don't just be like, I want to make money through writing. You just go and hire writers to write for you without even knowing how to write, how good writing works. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is for you to make research on how this platform works and how to get your first few chapters. You can equally direct your writers on how to go about this. Okay, so I have answered the first question, that it is possible for you to do what? To make money as a non-writer in this platform. So yes, 100% yes. Okay, so the second question is all about, how can I get these writers? A lot of people have been asking me question, how can I get these writers? There are a lot of avenues, there are a lot of means for you to get writers. Okay, we have Facebook, we have LinkedIn, We have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have WhatsApp, we have a lot of means for you to get writers. Okay, you can equally go to your WhatsApp status and ask questions. I need a writer. If you can write this type of story, that if you want to focus on werewolf romance, you can ask your writer, can you be able to write this genre and this trope? You can interview your writers. Okay, you can, I have a lot of things to say, but I don't know. God have mercy. So you can equally get your writers from WhatsApp, from Facebook, from Instagram, from LinkedIn, from Upwork, from a lot of avenues. Okay, so you that have in mind, you will be like, which pattern is the best? I'm going to tell the truth, I don't know the best pattern. So you can just keep on researching. You can get one good writer, and you can even train your writer to be the best writer you want he or she to be. Okay, so you can get writers from WhatsApp. You can even post it on your status. Writers needed. If you can write werewolf romance, or if you know anybody that can write werewolf romance, DM me. Let's negotiate the price, or let's talk about the price. Okay, so you can just interview them. If you get your writers, you can interview them based on your research, based on your knowledge, what you have learned about the platform that you want to work with. So that's why I said refer to the first one, know about the business, know how the business works before you can be able to outsource, before you can be able to do what, get your writers to desk. Okay, the third question is all about how much can I pay my writers. I'll advise you as a newbie, if God may be by your side, if you can get a good writer that can collect 1.5 naira per word, that's a good thing. Okay, 1.5 to 2 naira per word, that is the highest you can pay a writer. If you are paying a writer above that, I don't think you are going to gain it. And especially if you are writing and you get non-exclusive, that's not advisable. You can use a writer that is you are paying 2 naira per word with exclusive contract. But if it is non-exclusive contract, I believe that you are losing. You are the losing end. I don't want to open eyes in this my video. That's why I said I have a lot of things to talk. But to tell you the truth, I believe that the thing in my head is for my students. One day I'm going to put everything down for them. So if you are lucky to listen to this point, I believe you are going to get value. Okay, so if you are paying your writers 1.5 naira or 2 naira per word, you are doing okay. I know a lot of you will be asking question, are you going to pay immediately or after you have gotten a contract? I'll advise you to act professional. How do you act professional? At times you can pay 50%. For example, if you are going to be paying 5,000 naira, you can pay 2,500 an upfront fee. Okay, so that the writer is going to start work immediately. But believe you me, the high rate of scammers out there is much. So for you to be on a safer side, even the writers and non-writers, they scam themselves. So before you can be able to get all these writers, pray your prayers that God is going to direct you to a good person, because there are a lot of scammers out there. So if you can get a good writer that will work with you, to tell you the truth, you are in heaven already. So just before you start getting your writer, if it's possible, do your 3 days fasting and pray so that you are going to get a good writer. So okay, but there are a lot of good writers out there that are willing to work with you. Just that if you are saying that you are going to pay them, immediately you get contract. Make sure that you are going to pay them, immediately you get contract. Don't be a scammer non-writer that after getting contract you will block them everywhere and you are not going to use another writer and be trying that money. Even if you are eating that money, you are going to purge. So okay, so be loyal, so that anybody you are getting in this life is going to be loyal to you. Okay, so that's the question for today. I believe that I have given out my answers to this question. The first one is how to make money as a non-writer. The second one is how to get your writers. The third one is how much you can pay your writers. And I believe that I gave out the fourth one, how to pay. Okay, are you going to pay upfront or after the contract? And I believe that depending on how you approach your writer, you can approach them upfront money or after you get contract. Okay, so anyone that works with you, work with that and stick with that. It is not easy to be a writer and also to get writers. It is not easy. So just, it is a game of what? Grace and luck. So work with prayers. I always advise my writers to work with prayers so that you're not going to meet scammers. I believe you get value from this my video. If you get value from this my video, do one thing for me too, well, to subscribe, like my video, hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my important video. If you want to join my mentorship class, DM me. If you want the full course, the link is on the description space. See you in my next video. Bye bye.